For this quick doodle rock painting, I'll be using my 15 set Caran Neocolor IIs, but I've never used them before, so now I get to experiment on how best to use them. One way is to use a wet paintbrush and pull the color directly from the crayon. Another way is to use a palette, plastic or ceramic, get a little bit of the crayon onto it, and with a little bit of water apply the paint. I couldn't find anything about how to use them for rock painting, so we're experimenting together. And the third way I figured was to simply draw onto the stone with the crayon and apply a little bit of water, and I think this way works best. I bought these on Amazon in December 2020, and they've been collecting dust ever since. Over the last couple of years, I've been buying quite a few things for rock painting. Materials that you normally wouldn't think of using for rock painting. So this is a perfect opportunity to test these out. The set I have is the one that has 15 colors. We have larger sets, but from what I understand, you're able to mix the individual crayons with each other to get different colors. And while I'm not adverse to having a lot of art supplies, in fact, I'm pretty much addicted to buying them, but as we all know, art supplies can be very expensive. And since you can mix the individual crayons together to make more colors, it seemed a lot more economical to go this way. Although I liked the blues and the black background, I wanted to add a little bit of green to it. So far I'm liking these. They act like watercolor in that they dry very quickly, and as you'll see coming up, they take really well to the Pitt pens. To be honest, I was a little worried that they wouldn't do so well with the Pitt pens for my detailing work, but they did pretty well. You'll still need to let the ink dry a little bit from the Pitt pens to avoid any undue smudging, but they played well together. I'll also be using another art supply that I got from Amazon. I got that in April of 2020, and I'm looking forward to seeing how they work, but that'll be later on in the video. So stay with me. As with all the quick doodle rock paintings, this one I have no idea what I was going to do when I did it. With doodles, you just go with the flow goes and carry on and just have fun with it. Now with this, I'm doing geometrics, but you could also do like flowers or a scene, anything that hits your imagination. Just go with the flow. Remember, it's your rock painting. Each new rock painting is a new experience. Just have fun and explore. Obviously, I'm using the Neocolor IIs, but you can use any art supply that you have. If you have another water-soluble crayon, go for it. Now, if you know me and my style, you know how I like metallics. Since I have history with the Faber-Castell Pitt pens, when I saw these, I wanted to order them. Since they're waterproof, once they're dry, there shouldn't be any problem with varnishing. The colors or the metallics come in silver, bronze, and gold. The metallics aren't really shiny. They're more subdued, but they offer a nice contrast and pop over the black. If you haven't already, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification so you'll get notified when I create and upload a new rock painting video. Thank you. If you've liked this video, please hit the like button. It really helps my channel a lot. Thank you. Celebrate each other, celebrate your creative inner voice, and remember to paint along the way.